Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore transcription quality with our ev.com settings step by step clearly. To restore transcription quality using our ev.com settings, begin by logging into your ev.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where your files are listed. Select the transcription that you wish to adjust. Click on the file to open it. Once the transcription is open, look for the Edit button located in the upper right corner. Click on the Edit button to access the text editor. In the text editor, review the transcription for accuracy. Highlight any portions of text that appear incorrect or unclear. Utilize the playback feature to listen to the audio clip while reading along. Make necessary corrections directly in the text editor. After editing, check for any formatting issues, such as punctuation and capitalization. Once satisfied with your edits, look for the Save button at the bottom of the editor. Click Save to update the transcription with your changes. Next, adjust the settings if needed by returning to the dashboard. Locate the Settings tab on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Settings to open various transcription options. Adjust the quality settings to your preference, ensuring they align with your project needs. Consider enabling features such as speaker identification for better clarity. After making the adjustments, scroll down and click Save Changes. Return to your transcription to confirm the changes reflect accurately. Finally, download the updated transcription by clicking the Download button. Choose your preferred file format and save it to your device. Your transcription should now be restored to optimal quality. Review the final product to ensure it meets your expectations. If further adjustments are needed, repeat the process as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.